differentiate y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 times with ln 4x plus 5 with respect to x. So for this function, we are going to use product rules because we have two different functions in terms of product. So differentiate y with respect to x, we're going to have dy dx, and the product rules is vu prime plus uv prime. V, which is ln 4x plus 5, and the u is 2x plus 3 to the power of 3. And if we differentiate u, we are going to use general power rules. So using general power rules, write down the power, copy down the function 2x plus 3, the power minus 1, power 2, and differentiate 2x plus 3 is 2, plus u 2x plus 3 to the power of 3, and differentiate ln 4x plus 5, we are going to use f prime divided by fx. So differentiate 4x plus 5, we are going to get 4 over 4x plus 5. Let us factorize, and our least common factor is 2x plus 3 to the power of 2, and the number 2, we may write down this as 2 times with 2x plus 3 to the power of 2, and what is left for us is 3 times with ln 4x plus 5 plus, we already take out 2, and 2 times 2 to get 4. We already take out 2x plus 3 squared times with 2x plus 3 to the power of 1 to get 2x plus 3 to the power of 3, over with 4x plus 5.